This was come in a fan. You have this, gloves, you have screws and wire nuts, you have two sets of extension pipes, one shorter, one longer one. This attachment, you have remote control with driver and top mount, and your fan. It's quite heavy, so, and your lights, LED, and your instruction. Also blades at black side or kinda this color style, so whatever you decide to install. So this have a fan assembled. Make sure pay attention to these screws and the brackets. This is the mount bracket. Use these two screws. So connect all your ground, white and black, and two connections to your module.